Greetings everyone. Our topic for today is all about Chapter 1, the basic concept of thermodynamics. So here is the problem. A cylindrical drum, 2 feet diameter and 30 feet height, is filled with a fluid whose density is 40 pounds per cubic feet. So determine A. the total volume of the fluid, and B. its the mass, pounds and slug. So here is the diagram. So first, density is equals to 40 pounds meter per cubic feet. So A, find the volume, is equals to, here is the formula, and V is equals to pi d squared times h, which is the height, divided by 4. So pi times 2 squared times 3 divided by 4 is equals to 9.42 cubic feet. And second, the density is equals to m over v is equals to mass is equals to density times the volume. So mass is equals to 40 pound per cubic feet times the 9.44 cubic feet, which is the volume. So mass is equals to 376.8 pound meter. And that's all, and thank you for watching.